especially your country. Your country is very close to China and to India. Just think about those two ancient cultures. They have had it right more than any other cultures. Why? They usually worship and do most of their things around the sun. Here's the thing, Zach, that you need to understand, and all everybody listen to this podcast. Why is the sun incredibly important when we talk about food? What is the process that creates every single food web on planet Earth? That's called photosynthesis. So basically, the sun controls the the bringing together of carbon dioxide and water to make sugar in your body. Mitochondria reverse that process. It takes sugar and breaks it down to CO2, which you breathe off in your lungs, and makes water in mitochondria. It's cytochrome C oxidase. So when you realize that this cycle of photosynthesis and mitochondria is like a spider on a mirror doing push-ups, just like I'm doing with my hands here, you begin to realize this is a coupled cycle in nature. And the problem is that modern humans, and when I say modern humans, about 170,000 years ago, when we left Africa and we eventually got to North America and Australia, we started to put tarps on our body. So when a patient comes to see me in the clinic, this is how I start the process for them to understand how simple this is. If you and I, Zach, went in your backyard and we put an orange tree in the backyard, and then your girlfriend came and put the water and the nutrients in the ground, but then her mother came out and put a tarp over the tree, would we get any oranges?
No.
See, you guys got that, and see, it didn't take me to teach you any fancy physics to understand that, yes, that's correct, Jack. We're not getting any oranges. So let's fast forward. You have idiots in Brisbane that wear sunglasses outside because they think it's a cool thing to do. What they don't realize is that 3 centimeters behind their eye is their pituitary gland that makes every hormone in their body. So if you put a tarp over your eye, because I'll ask you, Zach, do you know any children that come out of their mother's vagina that have a tarp over their eye?
Zero.
And do that every time they go out. And
No.
let me ask you another question. Do you know any human babies that crawl out of their mother's vagina that come out with the clothes that you two or I have?
Not
The
at all.
answer is no. In fact, do you know any wild animals that also use that behavior? The answer is no. So here's the interesting thing. You get to a point where you begin to understand that humans are very unusual because we have these large brains and we're allowed to use our imagination to think how to change our environment. So we have thought culturally and socially that it's probably better to wear sunglasses and wear clothes. That began 170,000 years ago. Well, the change of terrestrial sunlight on our bodies actually changed the evolution of man. And that continues even